Chronic inflammation is often viewed as a silent killer since it adversely affects the body in ways which are very difficult to detect. Inflammation is actually a normal process. It's used to combat various infections. When these infections become predominant in the body, the immune system responds with forming of swelling, redness, and other associated symptoms that try to resolve the illness. However, long-term inflammation can have negative impacts on your health. And so today we're going to talk a little bit about that and how you can prevent it and help resolve it. One of the biggest dangers that we find associated with chronic inflammation is its impact on heart health. And people go throughout their daily lives in a constant state of inflammation many times, and when they do, they're likely to develop cardiovascular disease. This swelling puts pressure on the arteries and the organs and elevates the blood pressure, and by doing so increases your risk of heart disease. Considering that fact alone, we know that cardiovascular disease is one of the #1 causes of death in the U.S., and that should really serve as a wake-up call to anyone who is battling with chronic inflammation. And there are very, very many ways that we can deal with that. Chronic inflammation also lowers your immune system. It lowers your immune system's ability to protect itself against foreign invaders. When you're inflamed, your immune system is already working overtime on inflammation that's been triggered, and therefore it's not going to be as effective in protecting your body against outside diseases, outside invaders, illnesses, pathogens. Also, we know that pain has a very strong tie to inflammation. All of the itises have a strong inflammatory component: arthritis, colitis, etc. So how can you protect yourself from chronic inflammation? Well, studies have shown, of course, that regular exercise can help decrease inflammation by 20 to 60%, whether it's running, walking, biking, playing tennis, swimming, any of those. And we should try to get like 30 minutes every other day at least. Every day would be even better. It also burns calories, of course, and builds muscles, lowers inflammation in the body, and generally makes you feel better. Diet and nutrition also very, very important, playing a key role in preventing inflammation. Foods high in trans fat and sugar should definitely be avoided. These are ingredients that we know for a fact promote inflammation. However, there are other foods that can be very beneficial to reduce inflammation, like salmon, tuna, organic coconut oil, olive oil, spinach, nuts, soy, beets, ginger, turmeric, amazing effect at lowering inflammation. And ideally, you should focus your daily diet around just fresh fruits and fresh vegetables and lean animal products, omitting any of the fast foods that are filled with all of these negative components. Also, a lot of vitamins and nutrients and herbs that are very beneficial. If you have a good holistic practitioner, they should be able to help you in the right direction. And there's, of course, a lot of research available on the internet to help you find anti-inflammatory diets. But the moral of the story is inflammation is something you can get control of. Inflammation is something you can go and have the ability to get out of your body and reduce getting it in your body. So if it can be any help, let us know. Otherwise, we look forward to the next topic we'll be covering in the very, very near future. So wishing you a very healthy and happy day.